rabbit thieving, duck season, rabbit thieving, duck season, Elmer season. Shh, be very quiet. We're hunting Elmers. Hey, so check it out. Here's my latest build. I got a Bugs Bunny and Daffy Duck handcar. It's on a Lionel frame, and I decided to put them on a Marx frame because I still have a few of these handcars left that I've fixed and repaired. So I had to fix the broken handlebar. There was a broken handlebar on each side, and of course I drill it out and I use the wire from one of these surveyor flags. It's perfect, and then I paint it black so it blends in with the rest of it, and it came out with a nice repair. And then to put the to mount these guys, let me show you. It's just a simple matter of taking a file, a round file, and filing the holes on each side big enough to put the little inserts that Lionel put on there. So you can set them up in there, and then if I wanted to, I could take them back off because they're not permanently mounted. And this is the handcar that Lionel puts them on, and you can see there's quite a bit of difference in size of the one that Lionel does is obviously closer to scale, but the Marx one fits the characters I think a lot better, so I like to put them on a Marx. And kind of partial to Marx anyway, but nothing against Lionel. So anyway, I thought we'd take these for a spin. You can check them out. Here we go. It's a really good running handcar. Let me turn the camera a little bit this way. And you don't have to run it at ludicrous speed. And because I'll be setting up again this year at Eldridge Park and the Chemung County Historical Society events, I wanted to have a few different handcars for the kids, and of all ages. I think the older kids like them just as much as the younger ones do. And we can pick the camera up this time around, just kind of following around a little bit. You see it runs really smooth. This car had one of those little stanchions up front broken off, but other than that, it's pretty decent shape. So there is one handcar left that I'd like to build with Lionel figures, and that's the one with, it's got Minnie's wearing a purple dress, and there was a different Mickey that I haven't been able to find yet, but I did find her from Trains on eBay. This one came from eBay too. I only paid $12 for the whole handcar and the figures. I had to do a little repair on Daffy. The little thing there on his neck was broken. I just cleaned up the glue and re-glued it with the better super glue, and then just touched it up with a little black, and it blended right in. So as you can see, it's a pretty easy project to mount these on a Marx handcar, and to me, like I said, they just look, they fit better in size, and it gives you some figures to run. Seems like every time I see a Marx handcar, they're missing the two men that are on them, so this makes it a lot more interesting, and like I said, the kids of all ages love it. And it runs great. Alright, it's an easy, simple project to do, and it comes out looking really good. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget Jesus is the Lord, and bleep, 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 bleep. That's all, folks.